Today in the bunker, we are reviewing the UCO Volcanic Red Candle Lantern. So I've seen this around, I just picked one up the other day. It's pretty good. A lot of people are using it for camping, emergency lighting, for outdoors with barbecues and everything. And this one here's the mini, and it's the original candle lantern in Volcanic Red. So what you have is your canister, and you can pop up and you have your candle inside with a glass protector which will protect it against the wind and the flame. But the magic is actually inside, where you can pull this out, and here's the candle in this little device here. And if we pull it out, we have a spring inside. And there's our specially made candle. And what the spring does is it pushes it to the top as it burns down. Therefore, you don't have to manually push it up. One of these candles with the spring will last 9 hours, and then you can get some beeswax variants which can last 12 or more hours out of this. So the really good thing is when traveling, you can actually push it down like such, and it protects the glass from any knocks or damages or anything like that. And it makes it very compact as well. You can get all different sizes. I'd like to get the next size up from this, and there's actually tea light versions of it as well. So let's light it up and see what it's like. So here we are with our emergency lantern. There's a bit of warmth coming through the top, which is good. Glass isn't hot to touch yet. You can hang it on something. Could be a tree, could be a patio. A little bit safer having something like this with glass around it, especially with kids and animals. So when the power goes out, you might need to consider one of these. A little bit safer than normal. The candles for this are a little bit pricey, and you just can't buy them in stores because they're a special shape. But I have seen some tutorials online and 3D print molds where you can actually make your own candles for this. This would be a great birthday present or Father's Day gift for somebody, I reckon. I'll leave my affiliate Amazon link below in the description if you're interested in getting one of these. Doesn't cost you any more, but a little commission goes to me as well, so helps me buy other little gadgets to do videos for you. If you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time. That's hot.